in a major development in the Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank scam. The Enforcement Directorate has now filed its third charge sheet naming about 3 accused involving NCP leader Sharad Pawar's grandson Rohit Pawar and also Baramati Agro Limited, along with that Rajendra Ingule. And this is all in a money laundering case. Now viewers, this is part of an ongoing probe launched in the year 2019, and this was based on an FIR filed by Surendra Arora following an PIL in the Bombay High Court. Now the ED has already filed 1 main and 2 supplementary charge sheets in the case, naming about 14 accused. And the scam allegedly involves large-scale diversion of bank funds through political and corporate collusion. Officials say that investigation is still underway and more names could also emerge from this case. And it is being seen as one of the biggest cooperative bank scams that took place in the state of Maharashtra. That's now coming in the Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank scam. The ED has now filed its third charge sheet essentially, and it has named about 3 accused also in the case. The most crucial one being NCP leader Sharad Pawar's grandson Rohit Pawar. Along with that, two other entities have also been named, Baramati Agro Limited and Rajendra Ingule. All of them been named in the money laundering case now. Remember, this is part of an ongoing probe that was first launched in the year 2019. Now, the ED has already filed about 1 main and 2 supplementary charge sheets before this, and under those charge sheets, about 14 accused were named. Now, this scam, viewers, essentially involves a large-scale diversion of bank funds through political and corporate collusion. Officials say that the investigation is still ongoing in the case, and more names could also emerge. Currently, the case is being seen as one of the biggest cooperative bank scams of Maharashtra.